The Christmas is coming. Oh, let me have a look what these lovely children have written to me. Little Anna.
Dear Mr. Santa, this is Anna. It's freezing this year. I wish that my family can be warm and happy as previously. Could you help me? Thank you. Little Anna.
Don't worry, Anna. I'll find a perfect gift for you. Okay, I got it. Oh, wow, look! Here is a factory. Let's take a closer look. Oh, they're using the magnetic rubber to assemble the compressor. It looks so amazing. Oh, they're welding the heat pump. And what are they doing? Oh, they're charging the refrigerant. Look, here's the screen. This shows the details. Good. Oh, here is a heat pump. Wow. So great. Oh, look, is that a road? The heat pump is running one by one to test. Well, after finish, the heat pump is packed by the robot arm and delivered to the warehouse directly. Oh, there's so many labs here. Oh, the heat pump is work on the minus 35 Celsius degrees. Well, let's take a look. What's in it? Oh, there's a heat pump. Okay, let me open the door. Let's go, follow me. Wow, it's so freezing. Oh, I hear some voice. Carry on. Okay, I think I found the gift. Let's go. Oh, thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, thank you. Oh my God, it looks so great. Oh, Newntide. Oh. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. Wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.